Hey guys, it's Joe here from Continental Empire. I got Sam here from Rapper, and today we're just going to see what we have in the workshop. Let's go take a look.
The world famous proudly presents the star of our show.
Alright, so the first car we've got here in the shop is the Bentley Continental. So this one we've done a full 4-stage correction on it. So actually do full in and out details plus corrections if we do need to. This one is just getting basic in and out detail. So I think we've actually done about 2 or 3 rim repairs on this car. The Volvo. So the Volvo we just got in today. This one is actually getting full ceramic coating. So we do the ceramic coating on the paint, the wheels, and we do also do interior protection such as vinyl, leather and fabrics. So with this one we've done, Mark is actually doing the wash. He's also going to be doing the clay barring as well, which needs to happen before ceramic coating to just get rid of all the contamination. Then we're going to be doing the application of the ceramic coating afterwards. Then once we do that, we work onto the wheels and then the interior. So a process like this, if it's a new car, should take about a full day. If it's not, and it's quite an old car, mainly the correction stage will take 1 day on its own, and then it will take more than pretty much about 2, maybe 3 days to get that properly done. So this one should be getting handed over today.
Okay, so basically what I'm doing to this car is I'm ceramic coating it, which is, I'm giving this car in particular a 7-year warranted ceramic coating called diamond plate. That's the stuff there. And basically you apply it to panel by panel. I'm going to do this small section of the light and going to go into this corner of the bumper here because they're both very small panels. That allows me to do 2 panels at a time, which is very nice. And all I do, I simply apply it, make sure it's an even finish. Then I move on to the next panel, also go for the even finish. You probably see it in the camera, the little application sort of smearing. It's the product going on, that's how I know it's been applied. And I look at the thickness of the smearing to tell it's an even finish. Then I walk away for about 5 minutes. And that will dry on the car and it will, create a surface, and then I'll buff that off, level it out, and it'll be nice and shiny and protect it for 7 years. Doing this for about 7 years now. Did an apprenticeship as a mechanic. A mechanic told me that, oh, you should be a detailer, because I just always took too much time washing the cars, not actually doing the work he's asking me to do. And then I found this job detailing, moved to this, and have been happy and passionate ever since.
On the hoist, we've got the Mercedes. So this one's getting actually calipers resprayed. So they've gone from basically just a bland color to now we've got a gold color on there. So they're really actually suited. So this one should be getting handed over in the next couple of days. So the last car we've got here at the moment is the Mazda BT50 that's getting paint protection film on it, so PPF. So Sam, how's this one coming along at the moment?
Yeah, it's pretty good. We're almost done. Ashley's doing a few finishing touches to the car. PPF is a great option for 4-wheel drives and expensive cars just to protect your paint. So it's a really good option, stops a lot of scratches and that sort of thing. Very hard for stone chips to get through, but this car is looking amazing. Yeah, that's pretty much all we've got in for this week, and you know, next week is even busier.